Hi there. I'm excited to share you a unique way I use Clay to write my personalized emails. If you are into sales and marketing and looking to enrich your outbound strategy, stick around. I'll tell you the prompt that I use and how I create email copies at scale. Thank you.
So what do you need for this? You need the name, email ID, job title, their LinkedIn contact URL, the company name, website URL, the company LinkedIn profile. So after that, I'll show you the prompt what I gave. So this is the prompt. I want this clay agent to think like a research expert and give three thought leadership based pointers. So what I have done here is we can take the name, company name, and find out the relevant article mentioned or the LinkedIn post if there is any, or blog or newsletter or news, webinar. This is not limited. You can add whatever you want here. It may be other stuffs like Discord or something else if you want to like. So I don't prefer writing Discord and stuffs, but this is what I have given. So and what I want to do is to find the three most relevant pieces of the information and put them in the separate columns. And what are those columns? These are the columns here that I have added. So you can see the field 1, field 2, and field 3 here, all these things. So after writing this, this is how it looks. So it given me three pointers here. One is on the ring central, and another was announcing the about the LinkedIn recent hires, and the third is about VP of patient care and blah blah things. So this is how it is. This is three pointers what it gives. So then I want to write email copies based on this pointers. So this is the another prompt that I used the same Clay agent and the integration of ChatGPT 4, and I have written, and this is my prompt. So write the thought leadership article. So and it start with I stumbled upon, I came across, I just finished reading. This is just some dummy examples. If you want to put some other things, or you can put, or you can just omit this. This depends upon you. But I feel like there should be some intro hooks to those articles. And each idea can't be more than 10 words. I don't want to write more than 10 words here. And if you see, this is how the content is right now. I stumbled upon your Ring Central case study, impressive results. This depends upon you. Whatever you want, you can write it. And just say another article like came across your LinkedIn announcement on great hiring leaderships. So and the third thing is I want to write subject line also. The same prompt but the different things. Take the responses and give me a subject line based on the response. This response is basically thought leadership content what that researched in the list. So this is how we will be writing the email copies, which is very personalized.
I will share all the prompts that I used in the Google Docs or a sheet. You can find that in the description. And if you have any doubts on this or if you have any other versions, please share it with me also. It will be of great help. And if you need any help regarding this, just post your comment and I'll reply and we'll try to solve it. Thank you.